Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. Good morning, sir.
Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I think we are discussing about the futures walkthrough of the JMeter tool. Okay. So I'll discuss the same thing today itself. My JMeter is there in new volume E, that is E. Okay. Here I am using JMeter 5.3. You can use any version of the JMeter, no issue. So there is no much difference between the Apache JMeter versions after 5.3. You can use 5.3 or 5.4.1, 4.2, 4.3. You can use any version, so there is no much differences. Okay. So to launch the JMeter, what we need to do, double click on this Apache JMeter 5.3 and double click on the bin folder. In the bin folder, we can see here a copy cup symbol. Okay, Apache JMeter.jar will be there. That is executable jar file. So simply you can double click on that particular file. Okay, so you can launch your JMeter. Or else, so you can go to jmeter.bat Windows batch file will be there here, saying two, you can see two gear icons over here. One is the bigger and one is the smaller one, and you can see jmeter.bat. You can double click on this as well. Okay, so I have double clicked on the Apache jmeter.jar. Okay, it is going to launch the jmeter. Yeah, so jmeter is launching now. Please go to full screen modes, everybody. Okay, so here just click on the three dot icon. Okay, here you can say full screen, so go to full screen modes. So okay, so yesterday we have been discussed about the file. Okay, so new, when we need to use the new, so whenever the existing file already will be there in your work location like this. Okay, so already one script is existing in the work location. I want to create a new file. Okay, I want to create one new script now. See, already the script is existing here in my workspace. I want to create a new script now. So therefore what you can do, go to file and click on the new. Okay, that's all. You can get the new workspace over here, and now you can start preparing the scripting and all. And this is the shortcut of that particular future new. Okay, so let me show you. Let us assume now this particular script is opened here. I don't want this script. I want to go with new script. Okay, I want to prepare new script. So at the time we should have the new workspace. So therefore you can click on this new. Okay, so this is the shortcut of that future. Click on this new. Okay, you can get the empty workspace or new workspace you can get over here. Now you can start preparing your script and all. Coming to next, templates. So if you click on the templates, okay, you can see a pop-up window. So by saying here the number of templates will be available, so click on this bean shell sampler drop down over here. So you can get many templates over here, but it is not recommended to use the templates in the where in the real time. So why? Because so yesterday I told you one example and all. Okay, so don't use these templates for real time purpose. So this is prepared by somebody else and they are giving this template to us. So let us assume for recording just I am using this. Okay, so just click on the create, click on the create. See, too many elements have been recorded over here. See, I don't want to see these many records and all over here. Why? Because I am not sure why this fellow added this request default, why that fellow is added cookie manager and all. That is not in our limit. So we need to go through each and every parameter. So whatever, so that particular element present over here in the script. Okay, so kabatti we do not use these templates and all in the real time. So ఏదేదో యాడ్ చేసి ఉంటారు వారు. Okay, I don't want to use the template which is shared by the Apache JMeter. Okay, I don't want. Okay, so that's why the people, they are not interested to use the templates in the real time whenever they are working on the JMeter tool. Okay, so just try to know, that's all. Okay, templates will be there. That is also one of the future in the JMeter. and this is the shortcut. Here you can see after new, so you can see a template. Okay, that is a shortcut. Click on the templates, so you can see the same feature, so displayed over here. Okay, same feature. That is a shortcut of the templates. Next, I want to open the existing file in my script. So yesterday I have prepared one script. Okay, I want to open that script now. So what you can do, go to file. Okay, click on open. Okay, click on open. See, a pop-up window appeared. Now you can browse. Okay, so where is your script? So let us assume that will be there in the desktop. Go to desktop. Okay, so here I can see my script. .jmx is my script. Okay, let me click on the open button. Okay, see, so this is my script. So like this you can open your script which already you have prepared, okay, earlier. So this is the shortcut. Okay, so this is the shortcut. The folder icon will be there, right? That is the shortcut to open the file. Click on that open and browse your file. Okay, browse your file name and click on open. So that's all you can see here. So you can see the scripts and all. The script is imported to the JMeter. And next, open recent. So whatever the script you have been opened recently, that particular script name will be populated over here under the open recent. You can see here. So just now I have opened API practice.jmx. So that script name is populated over here. Before that, I have been open config elements _1.jmx. That is also populated over here. So like that, let us assume like I am going to open this ultimate thread group. Okay, simply what I can do, just simply click on this ultimate thread group. That's all. Okay, so if you click on that ultimate thread group, so the test plan is automatically opened. That script is automatically opened. If you want to verify, you can verify by seeing on the top corner left side. Okay, ultimate thread group .jmx, that is the script name, where it is there in your local mission. So January batch new ultimate thread group .jmx. This is the path where your script is existing in your local mission. Okay, that is how you can confirm. In correct gaane open chesana leda. So like that you can confirm. Okay. So now see ultimate thread group, it will come in topmost position over here under the open recent. So whatever the file you are opening in the JMeter, that particular file it will come and it will sit under the open recent. Okay, ikkada kanipistundi meeku. Okay, so if you want to open assertion.jmx, just simply click on that assertion.jmx. It will be opened over here. Okay, so you no need to go on, you no need to search for assertion.jmx where it is there and all. Okay, go and keep a cursor over here. It will show you the path where it is present in your mission. See, January batch, it is showing like, see, January batch new post processor.jmx. You can see the path also, you can see from here. Or else simply click on the any script, so it will be opened over here. See, left side top corner you can see listeners _ script.jmx, and the path also you can see where it is existing in your mission. Okay, that is the importance of the future open recent. Okay, if you want to open any already used script very quickly, so you can come to open recent and you can launch it. Okay, so నిన్న మీరు స్క్రిప్ట్ ప్రిపేర్ చేశారు. ఓకే, సో స్క్రిప్ట్ ప్రిపేర్ చేశారు. టుడే యూ ఆర్ ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్ టు లాంచ్. యూ నో నీడ్ టు గో టు ఓపెన్. ఓకే, యూ నో నీడ్ టు search where it is and all. Already you have opened that file yesterday. So therefore simply come to the file here under the open recent. You can see that file name over here. You just simply click on that one. That's all. Okay, you can launch that particular script. Okay, so that is the beauty of that particular option, open recent. So next is merge. So why we need to use the merge? So merge is nothing but combining two scripts. Okay, I want to combine two scripts, one script with another script. Okay, I want to combine. Okay, so then what you can do, you can use this merge. Okay, go to file and click on the merge and choose the script. Okay, we are merging two scripts here. Already one script I have been opened in the JMeter tool, and I am going to merge with another script. Okay, so go to file and click on the merge and browse the second script. So let us assume config elements _1. Okay, so this is I am using now. So click on open. So before going to click on open, I want to tell one thing over here. So come to this left side area, widescreen area, widescreen background area. Here you can see view results, summary report, aggregate report, వ్యూ రిజల్ట్స్ ఇన్ టేబుల్, దాని కింద చూడండి దెర్ ఈజ్ నో అదర్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ అండ్ ఆల్. ఓకే, దాని కింద ఏమీ లేదు. వెన్ ఎవర్ ఐ హ్యావ్ బీన్ క్లిక్డ్ ఆన్ ద ఓపెన్ few elements, it will come and it will sit under the view results tree, view results tree in table. So click on open. See how these elements are and all present over here. So we are merging. Okay, we have merged two scripts over here. Okay, I have merged one script with the other script. Okay, so alaga cheyochu. How, what you can do, go to file and click on the merge and select the script so which you are going to merge. Okay, so let me select with something assertion.jmx. Already I think we have been used this one. So csv dataset config _2.jmx. Okay, see here under thread group 1, so you cannot see anything over here. See, click on the open, so you can get few more elements will be present over here. See, okay, so this is how you can merge your scripts. Okay, ఎందుకు ఇది మెర్జ్ చేయాలి? That is the first question. Why we need to merge this? Okay, so let us assume you are working on Flipkart application. Okay, you are working on Flipkart application. This is biggest application and there are too many modules. Let me launch the Flipkart. See, so we are having many modules over here. Top offers, grocery, mobile, fashion, electronics, home, appliances, travel, beauty and toys. There are many modules. Okay, so you are not a single performance tester, you are having the team now. Why? Because this is the biggest application. Okay, so you can work on the mobile, your friend, your colleague, he will work on fashion. Okay, your colleague, someone, she will work on the electronics. Like that, the few people, they are working on different mobile, different modules. Okay, I want to execute the script by combining all the modules. Okay, what you can do, you prepared one script, your friend also prepared one script, your colleague also prepared one script. Okay, so whatever the scripts they have been prepared, so combine all these things. Okay, how you can combine? You can use this merge option and you can merge all the scripts over here and simply you can execute this script. Okay, this is the real time scenario where you can use this merge option. Okay, so going forward you will come to know about that. Okay, the same thing you can do in the real time as well. Okay, so ఎలా చేసాం మనం? ఫస్ట్ ఓపెన్ ఎనీ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫైల్ ఓవర్ హియర్. I have been open listeners_script.jmx. so this is my script. Let us assume this is Flipkart application, and Flipkart application the module is mobile. Okay, I want to merge with fashion as well. Okay, that is prepared by your colleague, somebody else. Okay, he is prepared his script in his mission. Okay, in different mission. So therefore what you can do, ask him to share that particular script. Okay, he can share that script with you. Let us assume now that particular script is there in your mission. Okay, you have downloaded it and that particular script is this one, config element _1.jmx. assume now you want to merge the script with this one. Okay, with the script already you have imported. Click on open, that's all. Okay, hey shit, merge చేయాలి మనం. So I forget. Okay, fine. So click on file and go to merge. Okay, so config elements 1 we are now, so config element 2 you can choose and click on open. Okay, see, now we have merged two scripts over here. This is the way how you can merge. Simply go to file and click on the merge. Don't click on the open. If you click on the open, so ఇంత ముందు నేను చేసినట్టు మొత్తం వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. Again you can get the fresh script. Okay, don't do that. Go to merge. Okay, so click on the any script whichever you want to merge. You can click on any one of the script and click on open, that's all. Okay, click on the open. See, 3 scripts I have been merged now. Okay, this is how you can merge. Okay, so now I want to save this script. Okay, I want to save this script. How you can save? Simply you can click on this save icon. Here you can see save icon, so you can click on the save icon. But the thing is that, so there are 3 scripts over here, right? 3 scripts over here. So 3 scripts will be saved as the name which is already populating over here, config element _1.jmx. 3 scripts names దీని నేమ్తోనే సేవ్ అవుతాయి. బట్ ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ టు rename like that. Okay, so నేను ఎలా చేయాలి? I want to save this file, I want to save this scripts as a some other name, some other file name. So then go to file, here you can see save test plan as. Okay, if you click on the save, automatically this file will be saved. But whatever the existing name you have given here, so using that existing name it will be saved. But I don't want to save like that. Okay, I want to save it like a separate script. So use the save test plan as. Click on that save test plan as. Okay, here you can see a pop-up window. Okay, so here what you can do, automatically a file name is populated. Okay, I don't want to use this. Now you can use like any name, merged script. Okay, don't give any spaces. Okay, in between the words, merge space scripts itla ivaguddu. Okay, don't give any space like this. That is not the good practice. Whenever you want to give the space and all, better you can use underscore. Okay, in JMeter, whenever you are working with the JMeter and all, don't give any spaces in between the words. Okay, here merged is one word, script is one word. Okay, so in between those two, don't give any space. Okay, space ichina work avutundi, but don't give any space. There might be issue with that. Okay, better you can use underscore and click on save. That's all. Now you can see on the top corner, left side top corner, the name has been changed to merge underscore script.jmx, and where it is saved, you can see the path as well. January batch new merge script something something, you can see. Okay, so this is how you can save your script, and also you can save that script as a something else, something new script. Okay, go to file. Here you can see it is save test plan as. Okay, here this is the save icon. Okay, here whatever the icon you are seeing here, that is the save icon, not save test plan as. We do not have any shortcut for that. Okay, so save అనేది మాత్రమే ఉంటుంది కానీ save test plan as there is no that particular shortcut over here. Okay, so save test plan as, save selection as. So I want to select any one particular thing as a test plan. So at the time you can use save selection as, but in real time we do not use this one. Okay, if you want I'll show you. Okay, so I want to save this particular thing. Okay, I have selected this thread group. Okay, I want to save this. So go to file and click on the save selection as. See, that particular thread group can be saved over here. That's all. There is no much difference and all, but we do not use this one. Okay, so automatically one name is appeared over here. If you want to continue with the same name, yes, you can click on the save, or else you can rename it. Okay, so you can rename it anything you can give based on your requirement. You can give any name and you can click on the save. Okay, so like that you can save your script. Okay, so whatever you have been selected over here, element. Okay, so that element also you can save it, but that is not good. We do not use that in the real time. That option we do not use it. Save as a test fragment. Okay, so actually I don't want to explain that save as a test fragment now. So why? Because whenever I'm explaining about the test fragment, at the time I will explain you test fragment ఇప్పుడు చెప్తే మీకు అర్థం అవ్వదు. Here I will tell you. Okay, so in the index you can see here there is a topic called test fragment. Okay, so at the time I will explain you why we need to use the test fragment, what is the use. Okay, how you can use that in real time. So those things and all I'll explain over there. Okay, next, revert. If you did some changes in the script, I want to revert the changes. At the time what you can do, just simply click on the revert. That's all. Okay, if you click on the revert, so the changes will be roll over. Okay, so the changes will be roll over, but we cannot use that one also. If you want, you can use it. Okay, so restart. If you want to restart your JMeter, simply what you can do, so come to file and click on the restart. That's all. రీస్టార్ట్ చేయడం అంటే దీన్ని క్లోజ్ చేయడము, మళ్ళీ JMeterకి పోవడం. ఓకే, అగైన్ డబుల్ క్లిక్ ఆన్ ద అపర్చు JMeter, దట్ ఈస్ నాట్ రిక్వైర్డ్. Okay, simply come to the JMeter and here go to file and just click on the restart. That's all. Okay, it is asking to save the scripts and all. Okay, I have clicked on the no. See, so just I have clicked on the restart. Okay, so JMeter automatically it is restarting. Okay, so this is how you can restart your JMeter. Okay, I want to close the JMeter. Okay, I want to close the JMeter. Simply what you can do, you can click on this right side top corner, you can see into mark, red color mark, right? You can click on that. Okay, or else go to file and here you can see exit. So you can use this option as well. If you click on the exit means it will close. Okay, so JMeter, how you can close, you can click on the cross mark, red color mark. Okay, so on the top corner right side, or else simply go to file in the file also you have exit option. Okay, you can click on the exit as well. Here, go to file, click on the exit, that's all. Okay, so if you click on that one, so you can see like the JMeter, it can close. Okay, next, edit. Why we need to use this edit and all? Okay, so come to add. Here you can see these many elements we have in the JMeter. Okay, threads, config elements, listener, timer, preprocessor, postprocessor, okay, test fragment, non-testament. These elements we do have. So we want to use these many elements. Okay, I want to build a script. So for the building of the script, so we do have these many elements. I want to use these elements. Okay, how you can add? I want to add the thread group. Okay, how you can add? Go to edit. Okay, come to add. Here you can see threads and click on the thread group. See, element is added over here. Now I want to add one more element. Okay, don't be confused and all. Just I am showing the options. So that's all. From tomorrow onwards, you will come to know what these and all things and all. Okay, I want to add one more thing like JSR 223. Okay, I have added. Go to edit and so you can do anything or like this. Okay, you can do anything. Okay, some also you can add the sampler. Okay, go here, you can add the timer. So like that you can add the many things based on your requirement. Okay, whenever you are preparing the scripts and all, we need to use the elements and all. Okay, I will tell you each and everything, you no need to worry. Okay, so that is the why, I mean that's why we can use this one, edit. Okay, edit కానీ in real time we do not use this edit. Okay, to adding the elements and all, we do not follow this edit. Okay, మరి ఎలా చేస్తాము అంటే simply I will show you. Okay, so I want to add any one of the element. So what you can do, right click on the test plan. Right click on the test plan, you can see add whatever the editor. Okay, here you are seeing the add and all. The same thing you can see here by right click on the test plan. Okay, mouse over onto the add. Here you can see these many elements you can see. I want to add thread group. You can click on the thread group, that's all. I want to add the elements to the thread group. Right click on the thread group, mouse over onto the add and add any one of the right element. Okay, I want to add the what we call the element. Okay, right click on the HTTP request, mouse over onto the add, you can add the elements. Okay, like this you can use in the real time. Okay, we do not use this edit and all, but I am telling. Okay, so go to edit, mouse over onto that. Here you can see these many elements we can use in the real time. Okay, next, paste, you know, control C, control V, okay, control X, these three it will work. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, so here you can see one thread group, right? So let me copy this, control C, click on the test plan, control V. See, one more thread group is present now. Okay, I want to see, here you can see control X, shortcut. Okay, cut, copy. Okay, paste. I want to copy this thread group. Simply click on this and click on the copy. Okay, I want to paste it. Click on the test plan and this is the paste. Okay, paste shortcut. Okay, click on that paste. See, one more. See, one more. I'm going to click on the paste button and see thread groups are continuously adding. Okay, see. So this is how you can use copy, paste and cut film. I want to delete. Okay, I want to delete few thread groups over here. Simply you can select the thread group and click on the scissor icon, cut. Okay, you can delete, or else simply right click on that particular thread group and here also you can see remove. Just click on that remove. Okay, it will ask you to remove that selected element. So just click on the save, or else click on the thread group and in the keyboard you can see delete button will be there. Click on the delete button as well. Okay, so you can click on the yes, that will be deleted. Okay, so like that you can use control X or right click on the thread group and you can choose remove, or else simply you can use delete button as well to delete any one of the element from the script. Okay, so go to edit now. Okay, paste is done. So if you want to open any existing file, you can use the open. So whatever we have been discussed in the file, the same option open here we have, right? The same option will be given over here as well. Open, merge, save selection as. Okay, so up to here whatever the options we have been discussed in the file, the same thing you can see over here. Coming to next, save node as a image. I want to take the screenshot of this particular test plan. Here you can see a test plan, right? I want to take the screenshot of this particular page. So what you can do? Okay, go to edit and select this one, save node as an image. Okay, you can select that as a save node as an image, so then you can get the screenshot. Okay, I will show you. Okay, so simply click on the save node as an image. Okay, so it is asking to save, so I'm going to save that on where I can save that in pictures. Okay, so pictures I'm giving the name as like fab batch. Okay, I'm giving the name like fab batch underscore test plan. Okay, so dot png I have given. Okay, you can save that in two formats, dot pif or dot png. Okay, okay, just click on the save. Now go to the pictures and see. Okay, go to pictures. So fab batch something I have given. Okay, where is that? Yeah, fab batch test plan dot png. Double click on that. You can see the image now. Okay, so that is only the screenshot of that particular test plan. That's all. Okay, so ఎందుకు వాడాలి ఇది స్క్రీన్ షాట్ అంటే బేసిక్గా మనం వాడడం రియల్ టైంలో. ఓకే, సి వాట్ ఎవర్ ద థింగ్స్ విల్ బి దేర్ హియర్, టెస్ట్ ప్లాన్, ఓకే, యూజర్ డిఫైన్ వేరియబుల్, రన్ థ్రెడ్ గ్రూప్స్, ఇవన్నీ ప్రాపర్టీస్ అన్నీ యూ కెన్ సీ in the screenshot. Why we need to use this one? In the real time we do not use, but why we can use? Okay, so whenever you are working on the scripts and all, okay, so some scenarios your client or your manager or your lead, he will ask you what properties you are using in the test plan. Okay, or what properties you are using in the thread group. These and all are the properties. What properties you have been configured, like that they will ask you. At the time what you can do, simply you can take the screenshot of that particular thread group and you can send it. Okay, so how you can take the screenshot? Go to edit and here you can see save node as an image. So here you can see two elements, you can see test plan, you can see thread group also you can see. Okay, I want to take the screenshot of thread group, then you must and should you need to click on the thread group only, don't click on the test plan. So we need to take the screenshot of thread group, means click on the thread group and go to edit, and here you can see save node as an image. Click on that save node as an image and you can save this particular image. Okay, thread group you can save it, or else simply you can use snipping tool. Okay, instead of using that and all, so you can use snipping tool. So this is the default tool which is available in all the Windows machines. Okay, so you can use the snipping tool to capture the screen and all. Just click on the new and drag your area. Okay, so just drag your area what you need to capture and all. Okay, see that particular thing and all have been captured. Okay, so you can copy this one and you can save this, send it to the higher officials, ఎవడైతే మిమ్మల్ని అడిగాడో అని పంపించుకోవచ్చు. Okay, so in real time we do not. Okay, so this one means this one. Okay, edit and this save node as an image, save screen as an image. This is the screenshot. Okay, save screen as image means that is the whole screenshot. Okay, that is not required, just I'm telling like, so we have the future and all. Okay, in real time we do not use that one and we will use the snipping tool. Okay, and next thing, yeah, so you know, right, this one start and all you can leave it, so I will tell you. Okay, so yeah, so enable, disable, toggle, so these three are important. So enable, disable, I want to execute this thread group. Okay, you can see here అది enable లో ఉంది. I don't want to execute this now. Okay, so what you can do, simply you can go to edit and here you can see disable, just click on the disable. If you disable this particular element, it do not be considered as an element in the JMeter. Okay, so ఒక ఎలిమెంట్ లాగా కన్సిడర్ చేయదు, సో therefore JMeter it cannot execute that particular element. Okay, so again how you can enable this, go to edit and here you can see, no, so click somewhere else. Okay, now go there. You can see again disable only. Okay, click on the test plan, now click on the thread group, go to edit, now see enable. Okay, enable button is enabled now, just click on that enable. Now you can see that is visible now. Okay, if you want to disable, just click on the thread group, go to file. Okay, click on the disable. Okay, now that particular element is disabled, right? So now I want to enable this, again thread group I want to enable, just click on the thread group, go to edit, now see enable button is enabled, click on that enable. See, now thread group you are able to see. Okay, that is enabled now. Okay, so that is how you can use enable and disable. ఎందుకు వాడాలి? I don't want to execute this thread group now. You can delete it. Okay, but if you delete it today, tomorrow there might be a chance to use again thread group. అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి మళ్ళీ అగైన్ యూ నీడ్ టు యాడ్ ద thread group and all. That is waste of time. Okay, simply what you can do, whatever the element is not useful to you, you can enable and you can disable it. Okay, I don't want this thread group now. What I can do, go to edit and go to click on that disable. That's all. That particular element is disabled now. You can see that element is disabled. I want to enable again this thread group. Okay, go to edit and click on the enable. That's all. So this particular element is enabled now. See, okay, so that is enabled. Next one, toggle. Okay, here you can see toggle. Why we need to use the toggle? Instead of using enable and disable two options or two features, so you can use a single button toggle which can replace two features, enable and disable. Okay, I want to enable I want to disable this thread group. Simply go to edit and click on the toggle. Okay, see that particular element is hidden now. I want to enable this again. Go to edit and click on the toggle only. Okay, see. So the two features, that is enable and disable, those two can be what we call instead of using those two, we can use the single option, that is toggle. So I రెండింటిని replace చేస్తుంది అది. Okay, so you can use, instead of using enable and disable, so you can use the single option, that is toggle, single feature toggle. And this is the shortcut. Here you can see one pin color symbols and all, you can see here too. So that is the toggle. I want to disable this. Simply click on this toggle. See, that particular element has been disabled now. I want to enable this again. Just simply click on that toggle. Okay, see, that is enabled. Click on the toggle, disabled, click on the same toggle, that is enabled. Okay, instead of using disable and enable, so you can use toggle option. Okay, it is replacing those two features. So next one, cut, copy, paste, duplicate. Okay, leave it and all. Next, save node as an image. So help. Okay, so if you want to get any help from the JMeter, okay, so what you can do, you can click on this help button. Okay, whenever you have been clicked on this help button, okay, so you will be redirected to the JMeter website. Okay, so here you can search and here you can get some help. Okay, so from this website, okay, from here you can get some help and all. Just it is a manual, that's all. So you need to go through this manual and you need to clarify your doubts and all. Okay, that's all. So whenever you want some help, go to edit and click on the help, that's all. So that will be connected to the web and you will be redirected to the page, JMeter official page. Okay, there the manual will be available related to JMeter tool. So there you can go through. So next is search. Here you can see search we have. Click on the search. Click on the search here. I want to search anything in the script. I want to see whether HTTP request is there or not in my script. Okay, simply what you can do, okay, in search area you can type HTTP. Okay, I want to check whether HTTP is available in my script or not. Okay, I have given the name like HTTP and click on the search all. Okay, click on the search all. See, one red color box is highlighted over here. So what it means? Okay, so that means whatever you have been searched for the text, is available in the red color highlighted box. Okay, red color highlighted box. Now let me show you. Reset the search. Go to search. Click on the search. Now I am going to search for that particular thing is not available. Click on the search. See, now you are not getting any search results and all. Why? Because that particular text is not present in this script. Okay, so let me give like JSON. Okay, so I have given like JSON. Okay, just click on the search all. See, here one red color box is highlighted by saying that JSON assertion. So we are searching for the JSON, that JSON is matching here in this element. So whatever the element it is matching, that will be highlighted over there in the red in color. Okay, బ్లూ కలర్లో ఎందుకు వచ్చాయి అంటే దట్ ఈస్ ద బిగ్గెస్ట్ సబ్జెక్ట్. గోయింగ్ ఫార్వర్డ్ విల్ కమ్ టు నో అబౌట్ దట్ అండ్ ఆల్. ఓకే, యా. So coming to reset, why we need to use the reset search and all. See here you can see boxes and all. ఈ బాక్సెస్ అన్నీ పోవాలి నాకు. ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ టు సీ ద బాక్సెస్ అండ్ ఆల్ లైక్ దిస్. Search I have been verified and okay, I have seen like where the text is present and all. Now I want to remove these boxes and all. What you can do, go to search and click on the reset search. Okay, so click on the reset search, that's all. Okay, see all the boxes went from here. Okay, gone from here. Okay, and here you can see shortcuts, binocular symbol. Okay, here you can see, right? So this is the search. Okay, shortcut of search, and this is the what we call reset search. Let me show you. Search, click on the search all. Okay, so now you can see the boxes and all, right? Click on this icon, clean icon. Okay, so reset search, this is the reset search shortcut. Click on the reset search. See all the boxes went from here. Okay, so that is how you can use search and reset search. So next, run. Okay, so we want to execute the test. Okay, we want to execute the test. So from where you need to go to the execution and all. So this is the place where you can go and you can start your executions. So go to run tab and click on the start button. So that's all. Whenever you have been clicked on the start button, the test it will run. Okay, so whenever you have been clicked on the start, no passes in between the test you are giving any think time and all. So at that time, without having any passes, the test will be continued. Okay, don't be confused and all. Going forward you will come to know about that. Start. Okay, stop. Okay, you can see whenever you have been started your test, so the stop will be enabled. Okay, let me show you. ఓకే, ఇవన్నీ కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవ్వద్దండి. గోయింగ్ ఫార్వర్డ్ మీకు అర్థమవుతాయి. జస్ట్ ఊరికే ఆప్షన్స్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడానికి కోసం నేను ఇక్కడ పెడుతున్నాను అంతే. ఓకే, సో ఐ వాంట్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ ద స్క్రిప్ట్ నౌ. ఓకే, సో ఐ హ్యావ్ ప్రిపేర్డ్ ద స్క్రిప్ట్ నౌ. Okay, I have prepared one script. I want to execute this particular scripts. Okay, what you can do, go to run and just click on the start button. Okay, so click on the start button. See here, so that we are executing the test now. Okay, see the stop button is enabled now. So you can click on the stop button to stop your test. Click on the stop button, the test will be stopped now. Okay, how you are telling that the test is stopped now ante, go to run tab again. Here you can see start button is enabled. Okay, so start button is enabled means, okay, now the test is in stop mode. Okay, it is in stop mode. Whenever you have been clicked on the start button, the start will be, okay, the start button will be disabled and stop button will be enabled. Okay, why? Because now the test is going. Okay, now you cannot start one more test, but you can stop your test. Okay, I am clicking on stop or shutdown. You can use any one of these two. Okay, instead of clicking on the shutdown, better you can use stop. Click on the stop button, that's all. Okay, so now go to the run and you can see here the stop button is disabled and start is enabled now. Okay, this is how you can use the symbols to features to run and to stop your testings. Okay, and these two are the shortcuts. Okay, start button, see I have clicked on the start button. Okay, the test is going now and you can see here stop button is enabled and this is the shutdown button. Those two are enabled. Okay, just click on the stop button, the test will be stopped and you can see here the green color button, play button is highlighted over now. Okay, over here, that means the test is stopped now. Whenever you have been clicked on the play button, the test is started. Okay, so the test is started and you can see the stop button is enabled. Click on the stop button. Okay, start button is enabled. Okay, like that you can use this start, stop and all. These are the shortcuts. Okay, so no need to go to run, no need to go to, no need to click on the start button. Simply you can click on the play button over here, whatever you are seeing in green in color. Okay, to execute the scripts and all. So next, coming to remote start buttons and all. So going forward I will explain you about this remote and all. Okay, so whenever I am explaining about the distribution testing, okay, here you can see distribution testing. Okay, we can run that in the remote missions. Okay, so at that time I will explain you, so what is the importance of this remote and all. Okay, remote start all, stop and all. So that I will tell you. Coming to clear all. Okay, so here you can see the lot of logs. You can see http request and all. See, scroll చేస్తా ఉన్నాను, you can see the HTTP request and all over here. I want to clear this data. I want to clear this data. I don't want to see this data over here. Okay, HTTP request, HTTP request, HTTP request and all. I want to clear the data. How you can clear? So go to run tab. Okay, go to run tab. Here you can see clear. Just click on the clear. That's all. See, all the data which is present over here, that will be cleared from here. Okay, let me show you again. So click on the play button. Okay, so now see, you can see the logs and all over here. I want to clear these logs and all. Simply what you can do, go to run and click on the clear. Okay, click on the clear. So the data wiped from here, the data cleaned from here. Okay, this is the shortcut, clear. Okay, so if you want, again I will show you. Click on the play button. Okay, see, stop the test. And now here you can see clear, right? Clear, see, clear. This is the clear. Okay, just click on the clear. See, the data cleaned from here. Okay, this is clear all. Let us assume you are using multiple data sets and all. Okay, multiple view results tree and all you are using. Okay, or multiple thread groups you are using at the time. So we need to clear the data from all the thread groups. At the time you can use clear all. Okay, this is the clear all. So going forward you will come to know about this clear all and all. Maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. No, after 2 days I will show you this future. Okay, how it will work in real time and all. Okay, so clear all. And coming to run, here you can see clear and clear all. Okay, so ఈ రెండింటి షార్ట్ కట్స్ ఇవి రెండు. Okay, clear all. So next, options. Okay, in the options you can see first thing, look and feel over here. Okay, look and feel is nothing but, so that is the theme. Okay, in our mobiles we do have the themes, right? Okay, so we do have the different themes. Like the similar way, JMeter people, they have given the themes. Okay, so themes ఎక్కడ ఉంటాయి? Under the look and feel. Here these are the themes. Okay, so let me go with metal. See, you can get the different theme over here. See, the theme, background theme, it has been changed now. Go to look and feel and use dark and all something. Okay, see, now the theme has been changed to dark color background. And again go to options and look and feel. If you want to go with dark laugh IntelliJ, you can click on the dark laugh IntelliJ. Now you can see. So this is the way how you can change your themes background. Okay, so go to options. I am comfortable with this Nimbus, so therefore I am using this Nimbus. So I am using Nimbus theme. Okay, this is Nimbus I am using. Okay, so go to options, go to look and feel. Whatever the theme you have been comfortable, and you can use the same theme. Okay, in the in your JMeter. Okay, this is look and feel. Next is log viewer. I am executing my script. Okay, so I am executing my script. I want to see the logs. Okay, I want to see the logs and all. Just click on the play button. I want to see the logs, what's happening at the back end. Okay, so it is error, right? So why I have received the error? I want to see that log. Simply what you can do, go to options and here you can see log viewer. Click on the log viewer. See, you just drag this one at the bottom, you can see. Okay, so this is the logs. Clear the log. Okay, so here I am clearing the log. So there is no log over here. Just click on the play button. See, the logs will be printed over here. See, the logs are printing over here. Okay, ఏం జరుగుతోంది back end. So what is happening, those details and all you can see here in the log. Okay, so how you can get the log? Go to options. Here you can see log viewer. Okay, so you can enable the log and you can disable the log. Click on the log viewer. See, ఇక్కడ చూడండి, కింద నుంచి మీకు ఒక పాపప్ లాగ్ వచ్చింది. You can drag this one. Okay, now you can see the logs and all. Okay, just go to options and disable this log viewer. Now there is no log viewer. And coming to shortcut, here you can see one triangle, yellow color triangle, right side top corner you can see yellow color triangle. Just click on that one. See, so this is the log. You can drag this one. Okay, again click on the same icon, yellow color triangular icon. Okay, the logs will be hidden. Click on again. See, logs వచ్చాయి. You can drag this one and you can see the logs and all. Click on the same thing, the logs will be hidden. Okay, so that is how you can enable and how you can disable the log over here. Again click on the options, go to log level. Okay, so logs are different types of logs will be there. Info level log, debug level log, error level log. Okay, so warning level log. So like that many things we can see. Which level log you need to enable? Okay, so that thing you can enable over here. I want to enable warning level log, or I want to enable error level log. You can just click on the error, that's all. If you click on the error, now you have been enabled the error level logs. So therefore you can get the error level logs in the logs. Okay, so click on this one. Okay, so click on this one. Okay, clear the data and just click on the play button. Okay, so whenever your test is running, whatever the error logs will be there, that error logs will be printed over here. See, so just click on the play button. Okay, so now you are not getting any errors and all, so that's why it is not showing the data. See, it is dummy. Okay, dummy request I have been added, nothing is there in it. Okay, that's why you are not getting anything. So let me go with a real time script so that you can understand. API practice now, and thread group. Okay, I want to execute first through two thread groups. What I can do? Tear down I don't want to execute. Setup I don't want to execute. What I can do? Any idea from anybody? I don't want to execute this thread group, setup thread group and tear down thread groups. I don't want to execute these two. Any idea from anybody?
You need to hide that. Hide in the sense,
Yes. Toggle.
yeah.
Yeah. You can just simply click on that particular element and you can click on the toggle, that's all. So those two cannot be executed now. Okay. So now I am executing this thread group. Okay. So leave it to I will tell you what is this and all. Just click on the play button. See, now the test is going now, but you are not seeing the logs and all. See, test అనేది పోతా ఉంది. Okay, so test is going over here. See, you are getting the logs and all, but I want to see the logs back and what is happening and all. I want to see those logs. Okay, మీకు ఏం చెప్పాను? Click on the yellow color. Okay, so yellow color, this one triangular icon. Click on the triangular icon. Here you cannot see the logs and all. See, where is the logs? You are not getting any log. Let me stop this. Okay, go to options and go to log level. Here what you have been enabled only error. Let me go with info. Okay, so click on the play button. See, now you are getting the information level logs and all, info level logs and all. See, this is how you can enable the particular level logs. Okay, you can enable anything. Okay, you can enable warning level log, you can enable error level log, you can enable, okay, so info level log, like that. Based on our requirement we can enable any level log from here. Okay, so yeah, so that is how you can enable. In the interview the people, they will ask you, I want to enable error level log, how you can do, what you can do. Okay, like that they will ask you at the time. So in the tool we have an option called we have a feature called options. Okay, under that option log level will be there. So there we need to select warning level log. So therefore we can see only warning level errors, warning level logs we can see. I want to see the error level log, so just click on the under the log level, just click on the error. So therefore I can see only error level log. So like that you can explain in the interview. So this is important. The people, they will ask you, okay, how I can enable the log and all. So next one, SSL manager. Okay, so whenever you are testing high secured application, at the time we can use SSL manager. Okay, I will show you. Okay, not now. So coming sessions I will show you how you can configure the SSLs and all. Okay, secured certificates and all we need to configure. So going forward I'll explain you how you can do that in real time and all. Coming to choose language, so you know whatever the application you are using in your mobile or in your desktop, okay, they will give few languages which can be supported by that particular application. Okay, here you can see you can use this particular JMeter in different languages. Okay, so you can use English, French, German, okay, Polish, something, Spanish, Turkish, Japanese, Chinese. So these many languages you can use, but we are comfortable with English, so therefore we are using English language. Okay, so yeah, so next one, collapse all, expand all. So what is the difference between, first I will tell you what is collapse all. Okay, here you can see many elements, right? So many elements you can see. So whenever I have been clicked on the collapse all, so you can see all the elements will be hidden inside of the test plan. See, all the elements will be hidden to inside of the test plan. Go to options again, click on the expand all. See, all the elements have been expanded. This is how you can use expand all and collapse all. ఎందుకు to customization of your script. I want to customize my script. Double click on the thread group. See, all the elements under the thread group will be hidden inside of this thread group. Okay, so again double click on this, it will be hidden. So like that you can customize your script. Okay, so దీన్ని డబుల్ క్లిక్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. సింప్లీ వాట్ యూ కెన్ డూ, సో యూ కెన్ క్లిక్ ఆన్ ద థ్రెడ్ గ్రూప్ and go to options and click on the collapse all. Okay, so all the elements will be hidden inside of the test plan. So then based on your requirement, you can go and you can double click on that one, so you can see the elements, all the elements you can see. Here you can see plus and minus, those two are shortcuts of expand all, collapse all. Okay, I want to collapse, just click on the minus symbol. I want to expand, click on the plus symbol. I want to collapse, click on minus. I want to expand, click on plus. Okay, so these two we will use in the script. Okay, why? Because so we can expand and we can collapse the elements and all whenever we are preparing the scripts and all. So that you will come to know. Next, this one, zoom in, zoom out. So you want to zoom this particular screen. Okay, JMeter screen you want to zoom. Go to option, click on the zoom. Okay, see. See, I'll be on mute for some seconds. Have you seen, right? Zoom in and zoom out. So you, if you want to zoom, go to options and click on zoom, so that screen will be zoomed. Okay, if you want to zoom out, so click on the zoom out, so you will be zoomed out from okay, here in the JMeter. So zoom out watch. Okay, so zoom in, zoom out. So next one, save automatically before run. Okay, so if you enable that one, okay, so what happens, it will ask you to save every time. Okay, so whenever before going to click on the run button, it will ask you to save. Okay, so please save your test plan. If you not saved means definitely it will ask you to save. Okay, if you already saved means then it do not ask you to save. Okay, so that is that particular feature that is not particularly important, just keep. Okay, plugin manager, as of now, so in your missions there is no plugin manager. If you want, you can check it out. So there will be no plugin manager in your mission. So that is the plugin, so which I have been used and I have been installed in my JMeter. So going forward, I'll tell you how you can install that plugin manager in Apache JMeter. Okay, so as of now you can skip this one and you cannot see this feature in your JMeter as well. Okay, so మీకు features ఇక్కడ దాకే ఉంటాయి, save automatically before run, up to there only you can see. You cannot see the plugin manager feature out there. Okay, so I will tell you how you can replicate that plugin manager in your JMeter and all, but not now. So going forward, coming to tools. Okay, so using tools, you can create the heap dump, you can create a thread dump. Okay, so what is heap dump, what is thread dump? Okay, that is the engineering level answer. So in your index here you can see heap dump, thread dump, GC. So here I will explain you everything about the memory management and JVM and heap. Okay, so everything I will explain over here. So just remember, that's all. Okay, గుర్తు పెట్టుకోండి present. So we can take the heap dump and we can take the thread dump like that. Okay, So if you want to seek any help, so you can click on this dialog. So therefore you will be connected and you can get some help from the that particular website and all. Okay, we do not use this one and all. So here remember, under the tools we can use only one option, that is generate HTML report only we can use in the real time. Remaining and all we do not use. Okay, generate HTML report only, so we can use. Okay, for what? To generate the report and all. Okay, so we are executing our test. Okay, we are executing our test, whatever the test we have been executed. So for the test we need to prepare one report. Okay, we need to generate one HTML report. For that purpose we can use generate HTML report. Okay, going forward you will come to know about this and I will show you how you can generate the report and all. Okay, so just remember, okay, using this option generate HTML report we can generate the report like that. Just remember, that's all. This is very important option which we will use in the real time. Okay, definitely we can use it in the real time. So next, remaining options and all not required, you can ignore it. So not at all useful these options and all. Okay, so compile JSR 223 test elements. See, JSR 223 is nothing but JavaScript request. Okay, so whenever we are studying BTech, MTech degree or something else, whatever the course, okay, I think we have been learned C, Java, something else languages and all. Whenever you have been written some piece of code, what you will do before going to execute, you can compile your script and all. Okay, you can compile your code. That means you need to check it out, is there any errors is there in your code or not. So for that what we will do, compile. There is a separate option will be there, we need to compile it. Okay, like the similar way here in the JMeter also they have given so one compilation feature for the JSR 223 language, JSR 223 script. Okay, but we do not use this JSR 223 here in the JMeter and all, so you no need to worry. Okay, so మనం ఎట్లా కోడింగ్ రాయము, సో దేర్ ఫోర్ వీ డు నాట్ యూజ్ దిస్ పర్టికులర్ థింగ్ అండ్ ఆల్, యూ కెన్ ఇగ్నోర్ ఇట్. సో దేర్ ఫోర్ సో ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ టు డిస్కస్ దిస్ అండ్ ఆల్ థింగ్స్. వై? బికాస్ దేర్ మైట్ బి a chance to confuse you. Okay, so better you can remember only generate HTML report, remaining thing and all we cannot use, leave it. So coming to help, if you want to help, like if you want to get any help from the JMeter, just go to this particular tab. Okay, just click on the help, so you will be redirected to the JMeter website and here you can get some information. Okay, related to any element. Okay, related to element like manual related stuff will be there here, so you can get some information from here. Okay, so you can get some information over here. Okay, so coming to help, yeah, so this another like the useful information related to help only. Okay, if you click on about Apache JMeter, you can see which JMeter version you are using. So those data only you can see here. Okay, మనకు అనవసరం ఇది, ఎందుకంటే so whenever you are using JMeter, on the right side top corner, left side top corner, you can see Apache Apache JMeter 5.3. Here only you are seeing it is showing the version and all. Then why we need to go and why need to check the version here? That is not required. Okay, help button is not required for us in the tools. Generate HTML is required. Okay, the remaining and all not required. Up to here, file, edit, search, run options, so everything you need to go through. Okay, all are important only. Okay, in the tools only generate HTML report you need to remember. Why? Because in the interview the people they will ask you how you can generate the report from the tool. Okay, can you please explain? At that moment you need to explain. Okay, so where is that option will be there in the tool also. So therefore you should remember that particular feature where it is existing in the tool. Okay, yeah, so this is about no, so here we have few, this one help. Okay, help. Okay, help option, help shortcuts. Okay, so and coming to right side top corner, here you can see a few more things like 0.0001. what is this 0001? That is the test duration time. Let us assume I am executing my test. Okay, see the time is increasing over here, 1 2 3 4 like that. See the time is increasing. So how much time you are executing? నేను చెప్పాను నేను. ఓకే, వీఆర్ రన్నింగ్ ద టెస్టింగ్ అండ్ ఆల్. ఓకే, ఫర్ 10 minutes, for 15 minutes, for 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, like that we will run the performance testing and all. How we will come to know whether the test is running for that many duration or not? అంతసేపు రన్ అవుతుంది అని ఎలా తెలుస్తుంది? Here we can check it out. See the time is increasing, 26 27, this another seconds. Okay, so test it will go. test is going now. Click on the view results to see the test is going now. And ఎంతసేపటి నుంచి రన్ అవుతుంది that data you can see over here. So you can see the time and all. Whenever I have been clicked on the stop button, see, you can see the timer, it has been stopped over there. Okay, so 43 seconds you can see the testing time now, 43 seconds. Okay, so after that you can see here the triangle, that is the log viewer. If you click on that particular triangular icon, so you can see the logs. You can drag this and you can see the logs and all. If you want to disable this log, again click on the same symbol. Okay, so whenever you are getting the functional errors and all, whenever you are getting the errors and all, you can see here the error count, it will change from 0 to 1 2 3 like that it will go. Okay, so going forward, whenever you are started working on the scripting and all, at the time you will come to know what is this 0 by 1. Okay, how many users you have been applied. Okay, let us assume I have been applied with 100 users. Let me show you. Okay, so shut up thread group, let me enable this. See, now I'm going, see, number of threads I have given like 100. Don't be confused and all. So day after tomorrow you can understand what is the thread group and all. Okay, so I am executing 100 with 100 users here. So see, ఏమవుతుందో చూడండి. So అందరూ please concentrate on this 0 by 1. Okay, so let me click on the play button. See, so the users count is increased to 95. Okay, and bottom you can see 100, right? See, now 100 by 100 you can see. So what it mean? Okay, so let me go with continuous run. Okay, so see, ఇప్పుడు చూడొచ్చు మీరు, you can see 0 by 0. Whenever I have been clicked on the play button, see, the users count is increased to 100. Okay, that what it mean? సో డినామినేటర్ న్యూమినేటర్ అంటాం కదా మనం. సో బై 100 ఇక్కడ కింద ఉంది కదా, ఇప్పుడు రైట్ సైడ్ 100, it will give an idea on how many number of users you have been applied on the application. So left side లో ఉంది కదా 100, so that will give an idea on how many number of users currently applied on the application. Okay, so 100 means active number of users here, which is at the left side. 100 means total number of users, which is at the right side. So right side lo ఉన్న 100 targeted number of users, and left side 100. So it will give like how many number of users are inactive on that application. Okay, don't be confused and all, just remember this. Okay, so maybe day after tomorrow I'll explain about the thread group, so at the time you can understand that particular thing. Okay, see, now 0 by 0 you can see, that means all the users went down now, so there is no load on the application now. See, 0 you can see here in the left side. Okay, so what it mean? So now there is no load on the application. So whenever I have been clicked on that play button, the load on the application is completely increased to 100. Why only 100? I have started the test with 100. Okay, in the right side you can see, right side I have you are able to see 100, right? So I have started the test with 100 users, therefore now 100 users are inactive. Okay, let me click on the stop. Okay, let me click on the play button. See, the users is increasing 38 39 40 100. See, the users is increased now, that means active number of users are going to increase on the application. Okay, gradually increasing the load on the application. Okay, so 100 how many number of users you are going to apply, and 100 how many number of users are active now. So అది మనకు అక్కడ చూపెడుతుంది. Okay, the remaining two you can leave it, those two are not required, you just click on the stop button. That's all. So these and all are the features and the options are available in the JMeter. Okay, so from tomorrow onwards we are going to jumping on to the core topics. Okay, just now we have been discussed right here, this one. Okay, so these many elements we are going to discuss. Okay, so yeah, so from tomorrow onwards each and everyone should be practice from your end. Okay, so those who are not set up your setup and all, please set up your set up the JMeter and all in your mission. So if not, please reach out me, I will help you. So any doubt related to today's class, yes, you can unmute and you can ask. Hello, I'm audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, if you are having any doubt, you can ask me related to today's class or yesterday's class, anything you can ask me. Yeah, I can answer. Please install the setup and all. Still few people they have not installed the setup and all. Please install your JMeter, Java and all in your mission. So if not, you cannot practice from tomorrow onwards. Okay, today also spare some time on this futures walkthrough and all. Just go through the futures what and all there, where is that future. Okay, just look into that futures and all. Okay, so anything from anybody? Yeah, so you can ask me. Meanwhile, I'll stop the recording and all.